Delivering an effective tutoring session. Let's learn how to deliver an outstanding tutoring session. We'll join a session and explore all the tools available to you. Sessions you can join appear under Upcoming, Scheduled, or In Progress tabs. When it's time for your session, click the green Join button. Let me show you by joining this session. Click the blue Proceed button to enter the virtual tutoring room. The session page is loading with camera and microphone options. Clicking Proceed. When the browser asks for camera and microphone permissions, click Allow to enable video and audio for your session. The session room is loading. You'll see the video interface with your camera feed and the Collaborative Whiteboard. This is your main video area. Your camera should be on with good lighting so students can see you clearly. The red REC indicator shows the session is being recorded. The timer displays elapsed and remaining time. The Collaborative Whiteboard is your most powerful teaching tool. Both you and your student can draw simultaneously. Let's open the whiteboard to explore the drawing tools. The whiteboard is now open with a full set of drawing tools. The toolbar provides drawing tools including pen, shapes, text, and eraser. Let me demonstrate. Selecting the freehand drawing tool to sketch on the whiteboard. With the drawing tool selected, you can sketch naturally like writing on a real whiteboard. Now, let's switch back to the video view to explore the other session controls. Clicking Video View to return to the main video layout. Back in video mode, we can access the session controls. The control bar has buttons for microphone, camera, screen share, and chat. Click the Screen Share button to share your screen. Great for demonstrating software or presenting slides. The chat button opens text messaging, useful for sharing links or when audio issues occur. When finished, click the red End Session button to conclude the tutoring session. Clicking to end the session. The session has ended. The recording will be processed and available on the completed sessions page shortly.